Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today I'm going to do two little tiles. I'm going to go over a bloom that I don't like anymore, I guess. I'm just going to do two, the same colors, maybe in a reverse order, and see how different they come out. So black, gold, white, and a pale blue. So come and join me and let's see how it turns out. Okay, everybody, here I am. I'm gonna go on these little coasters. Okay, so it's my White House paint that's eggshell. This is a light blue permanent by LIQUITEX Basics. So I'm going to put the blue down first, because I think it's opaque on this one. Then the gold. That's a mixture of Basics. It's a mixture of Amsterdam's light gold and Rust-Oleum soft gold mixed together. And this is a Color Shift Black Flash. And a little bit of white, LIQUITEX Amsterdam titanium white. This one, I think I'll do the black first, because it's opaque also. Then the blue. Then the gold. Oops, whoopsie. And then the white. My Amsterdam oxide black. I'll move this one over. I'm going to do this one first. Use my blower. I'll do this one. That's really pretty. Oops, it's a lot of black. Okay, right away I see a big difference. It's got more white in the middle. This has more blue showing. So the blue was the first color down. And the black was the first color down here. So whatever's on the bottom seems to show up more. So I'm gonna take this one and put it over here until I'm ready to spin. Okay, so that's come back in the middle pretty good. Yes, I tip this off a bit. I'll see if this will come this way a little bit. Just checking to see if it's moving much. Give it another spin. I think that's good. Okay, so I'm going to move this one out of the way. Give you a close up. Very pretty. One thing though is the gold doesn't show up very much. So this is the other one. Yeah, the other one doesn't have hardly any gold showing through. I guess I should have put more gold. This one's got some gold here. I'll give this a spin. Still quite concave in the middle. This has got more blue around here, and some gold showing through, but mostly white there. And this is the one with the black on the bottom. Oh, these cells are here, really pretty. I don't want to lose that. If I can tip it this way more. And the middle's still. I'd like to leave it just like this. I think I'll leave it and see how it dries. There. What the heck is going on here? Wipe this off, and then I'll show you them side by side. Okay, there you go. There they are, side by side. Black on the bottom, white on, blue on the bottom. So there you go. Hope you like these. Thanks for watching. Please come back to my art room. Hit the bell for notifications. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Comment below. Let me know what you think. And I'll put the dried result at the end, and have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's the 2 little tiles I did, and with same colors but different order, and look at the difference. This was the blue on the bottom, and this was black on the bottom. It's amazing how they can come out different. This shows some the gold around the edges. This doesn't show any gold. Really, it's weird. But they're both pretty. I like them. And they're drying good. This one might have had a lot of black cell activator on there. Anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching and have a great day.